Traders, welcome. Now, this is being recorded from Bangkok, mid-August 2011. And yes, we're having some pretty wild markets. And when you have wild, crazy markets, you need a good trading strategy. I've been trading all through this, every single day, ever since this craziness started. And I'm a little bit further on in the presentation, I'm going to tell you why the craziness started. But I've been trading every day. I've been doing very well. And I attribute it to the techniques, the kind of techniques that I'm going to be showing you. There's something in common with what's going on here now and what went on during the flash crash and what went on in 1987. I was trading at all those times. Actually, I missed the flash crash. I was out in one of the local bars. I wished I hadn't missed it, to be quite honest with you. But, you know, who wants to miss the Olympics of trading? Not me. The common thread running through all of these different times in the markets is illiquidity. It's illiquidity, and the illiquidity is being caused in large part to the high-frequency traders. Now, when you signed up for this event, there was a page, and there was a link on that page that told you that you could go to an article I did, and the article had to do with illiquidity situation that we're in now. And I highly recommend, I very strongly recommend that you read that article. There's also on the CQG site, there's a link to my website where there is an unedited version of that same article. That article came from a presentation I did at the Traders Expo in November of 2010, and that was entitled, "Is Armageddon at the Doorstep Again?" Please, for your own benefit, find it, listen to it. There's some stuff in there that is very, very pertinent to what's happening in our markets today. Okay, let's get started. There's a disclaimer down at the bottom of the page. That's the typical legal stuff. I want to give you a different disclaimer, and it's very important that you take it as gospel. My main purpose is not to do any harm here. We've got an hour to talk, and I got an hour to show you a few things, maybe a little less than that. And I can't give you an entire trading strategy in that period of time. I can give you some tools and some ideas about how I trade, which will get you out in front of the market. According to the Hippocratic Oath, do no harm. I don't want you to go off thinking you can be a DiNapoli trader after hearing a 45-minute or 1-hour presentation. That is impossible. Now, what I can do is give you a good, solid idea of what leading indicators are in general and what DiNapoli levels are in particular. This presentation is not a complete trading approach.